Hello everyone, thank you for joining in to the product release presentation for Milestone Q 4.4, which was from November 4, 2019 to November 18, 2019. I am Fatima and I'm going to take you through some of the highlights that we have added in the predictive UI regarding the front end. So let's go. Just like the device and gateway export options, we have added export options to export raw data to Excel and CSV format to inventory and the attribute tabs. So now we can export the raw data of inventory and telemetry tabs to Excel and CSV format. The next thing that we have done is adding headers to the pie charts. So we felt like there was some confusion regarding all the pie charts together on tab to identify which pie chart belonged to which data. So we have added some little headers just above the pie charts to show that which pie chart belongs to which type of data. The next thing that we have done is adding units to the attribute values tabular view. Just right side beside the value column, we have added units to that if an attribute has a unit in the data. So one of the major things that we have added in this milestone is adding animated loaders to the device and the gateway overview tab. So as you can see under the image, we have added animated loaders just like the table row animations, and it depicts the structure of the charts that is going to come on the screen. So it is a little engaging for us to see the loaders. And also we have added some of the messages to inform the waiting person to see what the process is going on at that moment. So we have added messages like fetching components, fetching analytics data. If there is a large data set and we are processing that data, we've added a message for that as well, so that we can see that what type of processes is going on at that point of time. Also, we have added some smooth animation for the charts to appear on the screen, so it can show the chart in a very smooth manner. The next thing we have changed on the overview tabs are the connection charts. So previously the connection charts looked something like this, and we've changed that to the heat map. So we have changed all the atomic aggregate and the connection chart to the heat map for the overview, for an overall uniform view. So let me get a demonstration for you. I'm going to click on this device, and as you can see, this is the animated loaders, and this is how you will see the chart coming on the screen. We have moved the gateway connection to a model here. So now you have to click on this link and open a model to view the gateway connection. Also, we have worked on the performance of the heat map, and now we are loading the heat map, all the heat map under 1 second. So 98% of the time, all the heat map will come under a second on the UI. The next thing that we have added is redesigning the invoice for the payment history. So as you can see, this is the UI for the invoice. Now, when we click on the export PDF option right here, the resulting PDF will look something like this. Lastly, we have added some lazy loading to the gateway and cluster topology. So by default, we are only loading gateway and device data. And if a device have components inside them, it will show a little arrow beside the icon of the devices depicting that it has components. And when we will click on the icon, it will load the components at runtime and show it onto the chart. So this helps us in reducing the waiting time for the chart to get onto the topology tab. the upcoming things. So in the next milestone, we are planning to introducing heat maps to the attribute and telemetry analytics. We are also planning to introducing new recipes for the new users. So for easy onboarding, we are going to add some new recipes for them. Thank you for your time and see you next week.